Hey y'all, now you tuned into a edition of build your own computer tutorial. I want to show you how to build your own computer. Alright, what we have here, first you're going to need this is the chassis right here. This is the case that is going to go in. This is the motherboard. You're going to need that. And when you're choosing your motherboard, you got to make sure you buy the right socket size that's going to fit your processor. So for example, I got a socket LGA 1150, and when you buy your processor, you got to make sure the processor is compatible with the same socket size, because the processor is gonna sit in the motherboard. So this is the processor, and it's compatible, like I said, with the LGA 1150 size motherboard, and you see it right there. So that's the processor. That's an i7 processor. This is the RAM. You got to make sure the RAM is compatible with the motherboard also. This is DDR3 RAM. So look on this box, it'll say that this is compatible with DDR3 RAM. Exactly. Memory slots is DDR3. So when you're buying your RAM, make sure your RAM is compatible with your motherboard also. So this is 16 gig RAM. This is two chips, 8 gigs each, 16 gigs. That's going to make it run pretty fast. This is the power supply. It's a 1,000-watt power supply. I went with the most power because I'm going to have a lot of components in there. So I want to make sure I got a lot of power, enough power to support all the stuff I have in there, so it won't burn out on me. And this is the hard drive. This is a 3 terabyte hard drive. I went with high storage space because all the files I'm going to be putting on there, I'm going to be putting a lot of movies on there, so I got to make sure I got enough space to hold all that. Alright, now let's get started.